Welcome to RainDance in beautiful Colorado. I'm Brandy, Community Sales Manager for Trumark Homes, and today I'm excited to introduce you to our Fairways and Acadia neighborhoods that make RainDance a dream destination for home buyers. When you choose a Trumark home, you're not just selecting a place to live, you're choosing a lifestyle. One of the major benefits of living at Acadia and Fairways is that they offer an unparalleled combination of thoughtfully designed floor plans with stunning and expansive lot options. Pick between an acreage lot or one back into the golf course, and either way you will have ample room to enjoy your outdoor spaces, entertain, and truly savor the Colorado experience. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking views of rolling greens right in your backyard. At the Fairways, you'll find luxurious homes nestled along our pristine golf course, offering exclusive access from your walkout patio. This neighborhood offers a lifestyle like no other, ranging from cozy single-family residences to spacious estates, all created with your comfort and style in mind. If Acadia is where you want to lay down roots, you're going to love all the extra space. Acadia offers expansive one-acre home sites with 3 generous floor plans, ranging from 2,944 to over 5,600 square feet, and up to 5 bedrooms and 6 baths. What truly sets us apart is that you, as our valued buyer, have the unique opportunity to make a multitude of exciting and personalized selections on your home. You can choose your lot, ensuring you get the view you've always desired, and then you get to handpick your finishes at our state-of-the-art design center. It's the kind of personalization that puts your stamp on the place you'll call home. At Trumark Homes, we pride ourselves in giving our buyers the ultimate home buying experience. The freedom to craft your home is an unparalleled opportunity to create a living space that is truly an extension of your personality and desires. Everything is transparent right from the beginning. You can make your financial plans with confidence, knowing that your dream home is within reach. Come on down to RainDance and let us help you make the Colorado lifestyle a reality. We can't wait to welcome you to the Fairways and Acadia.